Welcome back to my channel. Today with another exciting information. Have you ever read the book called The Alchemist by a Brazilian writer, Paulo Coelho? So today I'm going to give you Paulo Coelho's 4 tips for becoming wildly successful in your life. So stay tuned till end of the video and take notes. So let us see what are those 4 important tips, what he wants to convey to all you people. These tips were taken from his book. So there are many books he authored. I have taken it from his book. So let us see what are those 4 important tips he wants to convey all you. Number one, what he says: remember your dream and fight for them. See, we all have a dreams, right? We all have a goal in our life. We all wanted to achieve something in our life, but very few people follow that, right? So chase your dream always and fight for that. Well, sometimes what happen, we may have some dreams, and unfortunately because of other people's influence, maybe from our parents or maybe from our neighbors or from our teachers or from the society, we may try to skip those dreams, and we may try to forget it, and we may try to live a normal life, right? Is it happens in your life? Sometimes it happens, right? So what Paulo Coelho told about his life, he had a dream of becoming something, but his dad opposed him. His dad told, it seems like only 1% of the people succeed in that field, so don't follow those channel. So be a normal man, complete your graduation and get into some job. So he was telling that I actually completely, because I don't want didn't want to make his dad disappointed, so he followed his opinion, right? His dad's opinion. So he's not telling that we should not hear other people's opinion. He's telling that if you have a dream, follow those dreams. That's very important, right? And fight for that. Then second one, what he wanted to say is, you draw down not by falling into river but submerged in it. So what he says is, like, we all when we are going through the journey called success, there will be a lot of failures, right? There will be a lot of failures. Maybe 10 out of 9 may be a failure, we don't know, right? So there may be a lot of ups and downs. There will be a lot of time we may get defeated, but every time when we fall, we should not get disappointed. We should be ready to get up and again fight for our dreams. That's what he says, right? So people are not actually not becoming successful, not because of they are falling into a river, because they're submerged in it. That's why they're actually failing in their life. So failure is a part of life. It's a part of a journey. So understand, failure will happen. We need to face those failure and try to learn from something from that and continue our journey, right? We should be able to get up and again continue our journey. That's what he says in the second point. And the third point, what he said was, don't be frightened by other people's opinion. We may get frightened, we may get tensed because of other people's opinion, right? So basically, let us say if you want to start something, right? If you want to start something, or you want to change your career, you want to do something, right? But if when you ask other people, and if they are giving you a negative answer, when they are telling about their opinion, sometimes we may get frightened, right? So what he says is, never get frightened. See, he's not telling that you should not listen to other people. You should listen to the other people, but never get frightened. You always believe that you can achieve whatever you want, right? So there are a lot of things available in the world. You can learn it and you can achieve whatever you want it, right? So never get frightened by other people's opinion. Listen it. If you feel it's a good one, then you take it. Otherwise, it's okay, leave it, right? So you should be ready to even ignore some of the opinions, right? So this is what the third point, what he told. And the fourth very important tip, what he told was, be brave, take risk. Nothing can substitute experience. So it's very, see, sometimes what happen, even though we have a lot of knowledge, we have a lot of skill, we don't take a step forward because of fear inside us, right? So the biggest risk in the world is not taking any risk. That's what Zuckerberg told, that the biggest risk in the world is that we are not taking any risk, right? So be brave in your life, take risk. So when you take a risk, sometimes you may fail, right? That's a common thing, right? So as I told, when we really want to achieve something bigger, so there will be lot of ups and downs, lot of time you get defeated, lot of issues will happen, right? But we should be able to learn something and get out of that, right? So should be ready to take risk and be brave, and while taking a risk, you will be able to experience lot of things, and nothing can replace a experience. That's a truth, right? So you only just start analyzing what are the experience till now you have earned through a lot of your experience. So can you substitute something else? No, right? You cannot substitute that, right? So same way, during your journey called success, there will be lot of when you take a risk, there can be failures, there can be success, there can be good time, there can be bad time, but all this you consider as an experience, right? And you try to learn something from the experience, right? So friends, these are the four important tips which he wants to convey all of us to become wildly successful in our life, right? Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're not a subscribe my channel, click on the subscribe button and comment in the comment box, click on the like button and share this video with your loved one. So thank you very much. Just before signing off, I want to invite you all to my masterclass. So there are some masterclasses I have scheduled. The link to register for the masterclass is mentioned in the description. So click on the link and register for the masterclass. Let us meet at the masterclass. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a happy and successful life.